3 easy steps for an effective email marketing strategy. In this day and age, internet marketing is emerging as amongst the most economical and feasible marketing method, especially for small companies. Here there are easy actions that you can follow for an effective email marketing plan. The procedure of utilizing digital technology in order to sell items or services is called e-marketing. With the development of technology and the web, it has ended up being crucial for companies to use e-marketing strategies to supplement their traditional marketing approaches, so regarding create more item sales and to reach a larger market. E-business, though, would generally focus their attentions on the e-marketing alone. E-marketing utilizes the very same standard ideas as that of standard marketing. The function is to devise techniques in order to deliver your message throughout to target audience. When marketing and advertising your products, services or organization, the difference with e-marketing lies in the optional ready available to you. Naturally, you might always utilize the convenient methods, but it is wiser to make the most of the marketing chances that the web gives you. E-marketing produces remarkable leads to regards to increasing market share, high margins of profit, and continual client patronage. It is also perfect for little or medium-sized companies, for e-marketing is more inexpensive and less effort intensified. Nevertheless, in order to launch a reliable e-marketing campaign, you would initially have to produce an e-marketing plan. The focus of an e-marketing plan is to make sure high reaction from prospective consumers. Below is a summary of actions for developing an effective e-marketing strategy. Step 1. Determine your target market. Prior to anything else, you should determine your market. It is also important that you study the market environment and your rivals' market strategies and provide due notice to all possible opportunities. Action 2. Set e-marketing plans, objectives, and e-marketing approaches. You need to always set your objects for your marketing campaign. Your objects may consist of establishing and raising your e-presence, dismantling business details, and sales lead generation. After determining your goals, you must establish the e-market method you would use to obtain your objective. It is not a good idea to utilize simply one technique. It is always wiser to use multiple e-marketing approaches. Step 3. Set a budget and determine your methods. You ought to determine the methods and method that you would use to introduce your e-marketing project. Determine the strategy you would use for implementing your marketing methods. It is likewise very essential that you carefully budget your costs, despite what goals you have set and what techniques you wish to use. Make sure that your expenses will not spiral out of your control. Utilize the cost and benefit analysts in order to figure out and work an acceptable budget. The benefits must more than make up for your marketing costs. E-marketing utilizes the exact same fundamental ideas as that of conventional marketing. In order to launch a reliable e-marketing project, you would first have to produce an e-marketing strategy. After determining your goals, you need to develop the e-marketing approach you would use to obtain your goals. It is consistently smarter to utilize numerous e-marketing techniques. You should determine the method and technique that you would utilize to release your e-marketing project. Now, I hope some of this has helped you. Go through it again if you didn't understand it all. It's not a very long video, it's only 7 minutes or so. Now, also, below my video, there is a like button, like a thumbs up. Click on that for me and subscribe. That helps me with YouTube. If you want to get informed when I put another video up, then press the bell at the top and click all. You will get the information from YouTube when I put another video online. Now, under my video, you'll find a link to my YouTube channel. There are over 300 videos, all about earning money online and how to make money online, where to start. Everything you need to know is underneath. 300 of them. Be more than that when you come to it, because I do them every day. But my YouTube channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. One more time, that's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. While I'm on this, underneath my video also there are lots of links. Now, these are links of programs I've used for the internet and enjoyed and like. Some I'm still using, but not all of them. And also other links are tools I still use and use daily. But the one thing on my links I would like to say is, please have a look at Spin Rewriter. This is what I reckon one of the best tools I have ever used on the internet. I joined for life. I believe it was $195 or $199. I'm not sure which it was now. It was a long time ago. If they still got that offer up, if you can afford it, take it. If you're doing webs and blogs or even videos, Twitter, anything like that, you send your keywords to SpinWriter once you've purchased the program, and you get 50 scripts a month done by them with your keywords. So you've always got material to use all the time. Imagine how long it takes you to get 50 different scripts up and running. That is a Spin Rewrite. I'll put a link above my head or below, or depends what room I've got on the page. But that's the one I always recommend now. And other than that, please research. That's the main thing. Do your research on whatever you're buying, starting or doing. Use Google. Put in the name of the company you want to go to or the item you'll want to purchase, and they will give you page after page. They're top notch. You'll find out everything about that company and whether you want to use it or not. They give you the advice. All I can say is do your research. Don't get scammed. I use myself YouTube all the time because they give you illustrations and pictures, and you watch people doing things. You'll watch them joining programs and you'll know how to do it. By the time you finish, you can keep going back over it. So YouTube gives you all the pictures. You don't have to just keep reading. Now, other than this, I wish you all the very best in your line of progress, whichever way you're going. I hope you get on as well as I have done. So I once more will say I'm Ian Jackson. Now, please do that research, and also press the like button below and subscribe. So it's Ian Jackson once more saying, hope you get on very well with the internet and have progress as well as I have had, and hope to see you back again. Please click the like button below and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Cheerio now, and all the best in your online venture.